School attention. Prayer position.
Prayer. Heavenly Father, bless our words, guide them to bring a positive change. Teach us to communicate with love. May we as our words to uplift others and reflect your grace in all that we say and do. Verse from the Bible. Kind words are like honey. They are sweet to the spirit and bring healing to the body. Proverbs 16 verse 24. வணக்கம். திருக்குறள். சொல்லுக சொல்லு பயனுடைய சொல்லற்க சொல்லி பயனிலாற்றல் நன்றி. are the most powerful gift from God. Some positive words help us to heal, encourage and make us happy. Some negative words can hurt and to be sad. So my dear friends, handle the words carefully. Thank you. Here we are going to present some records and sentences in their proper matches. I look the paper. I look the paper. I fold the paper. I fold the paper. I crease the paper. I crease the paper. I unfold the paper. I unfold the paper. I roll up the paper. I roll up the paper. I crumple the paper. I crumple the paper. The paper is full.